Two Australian women cricketers were harassed on Khajrana Road in Indore when a biker misbehaved with one player and escaped. The scared players informed their security officer and police quickly formed 5 teams. The accused was caught within an hour. Both cricketers are famous international players. The Australian team received extra security after the incident and the ICC was informed. Local demanded strict punishment so that such shameful behavior never happen again in the future. The team still played their planned match against South Africa. A heart-touching meeting in Mumbai melted everyone's heart. Gurdeep Vasu from Indore, who cannot see, hear or speak, finally met superstar Amitabh Bachchan. For 5 years she had dreamed for this meeting. When Gurdeep touched Amitabh's hand, he became emotional and blessed her warmly. Another specially abled artist from Chhattisgarh who paints with his feet gifted Amitabh a portrait. Big B was deeply moved by their talent and determination. He promised to keep the painting in his famous Jalsa home. This meeting showed that true passion and love need no words, only feelings. Jabalpur is hosting the Rashtriya Swam Sevak Sangh biggest annual national meeting. RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat reached the city on Saturday and will stay till November 3rd. Around 500 top RSS functionaries from all over India are taking part in the event. The main focus is on the Panch Parivartan plan and future organizational goals. BJP President JP Nadda will attend for one day. The meeting venue in Vijayanagar has been fully prepared by the city administration. Strict security, clean surroundings and smooth traffic arrangements have been ensured for the high-level gathering. A major rice scam has rocked Gwalior's Lashkar Mandi. The High Court has now sent a notice to the Madhya Pradesh government demanding answers. The case involves more than 1 lakh quintals of paddy. According to the petition, around 32,000 quintals were found but farmers were not paid. Nearly 2,000 farmers sold their crops and some firms took loans on the same stock. The petitioner Shivendra Pratap Singh filed a public interest plea. The court also asked him to plant 10 trees at Anand Parvat. Police and officials continue investigating the growing corruption case. Ujjain's famous Mahakal temple witnesses an unexpected clash inside the sanctum. Mahant Mahavir Nath and priest Mahesh Sharma argued over temple rules, which turned into a heated fight. The incident was caught on video and quickly went viral. After both men filed complaints, the temple administration conducted an inquiry. Based on findings, both priests were banned from entering the temple for 15 days. Devotees were shocked by the behavior inside the holy place. Authorities have promised tighter discipline so that the dignity and peace of the Mahakal temple are maintained. In Ujjain, the traditional Paro Ki Ladai or bullfight returned with grand celebrations after Diwali. The event took place on Govardhan Puja and Padwa. 8 pairs of bulls entered the field, cheered by thousands of people. Bulls were prepared with ghee, milk, dry fruits and eggs before the fights. The match between Dawn and Balbir became most exciting when Dawn broke Balbir's horn. The crowd roared in excitement and organizer released the video online. With music, drums and loud cheers, the centuries-old local tradition brought festive joy to everyone watching. The weather in Madhya Pradesh has suddenly changed due to a depression over the East Central Arabian Sea. Several districts including Bhopal, Sagar, Shajapur and Padurna saw rain and thunder. Ujjain recorded heavy showers while Bhopal experienced fog and drizzle, reducing visibility. The meteorological department has issued an alert for storm and rain in many areas for the next 4 days. Strong winds have made the air cool and fresh. Farmers are happy but cautious about crop damage. People are enjoying the pleasant weather after weeks of heat.